Alright, now it looks like a couple playing around. One of them trying to be the boss, probably. I think it's 11 now of the 18. Guess maybe, I don't know. Let's see what the others are doing. Are we looking? So the reason why I'm videotaping this is that, let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah, 11. The reason why I'm recording this is because I'm having a devil of a time getting them to come outside. They don't want to leave. No, these guys seem pretty content to stay here. Oh, there's a 12th one going out maybe. Thinking about it, huh? Let's kick the rest of these out. Hate doing the stress on them. Daisy, back up. Hate doing the stress on them that this is going to cause, but I gotta go outside. I don't want them to stay in here. Alright, so 12th one went out, so we still got 2, 4, 6 in here. Come on, girls, guys and gals, let's go. Come on, come on, let's go outside. Come on, outside, outside. Nope, 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 nope. You older ones definitely need to go outside. There you go, see? Follow the leader. Follow the leader, there you go. There you go, come on. Come on, let's go, let's go. No, where are you going? Come on, there you go. 4 more. Come on. Come on, outside. Outside. Nope, nope. Come on, outside. Come on, outside. Come on. Follow your buddies. Follow your brothers and sisters. There. That wasn't too bad. Had to throw a couple out on their own. Let's see, we'll get this turned off. I don't need it if they're not in here. There you go. Some of them, I like perching on this rock for some reason, right there. Alright, so that's looking good. I'll get them another scoop of food. And should be a nice day for them out here. Let them soak up some sun. By the way, I had one die yesterday. I fed them in the morning and they were fine, and then came in about halfway through the day and there was one that was dead. And thinking it might have been my fault. I should have put some more bedding in there earlier than that, which might have contributed to it. And then also, the day I moved them, it was kind of rainy and windy, and I'm thinking I maybe should have waited another couple days. but they were getting pretty crowded in that box, so yeah, it was kind of one of those things. But they seem to be doing fine now out here. I'll get them another scoop of food and then let them be. Check on them a couple times during the day. Hopefully they're starting to, I mean, they haven't even wandered too far from this area right here yesterday, but although there's droppings closer to out here where I'm pointing the camera, so they started exploring a little bit, so hopefully they start enjoying this place. So otherwise I'm going to need to move them into the tractor because I need this place fertilized and cleaned up. So and the reason for that is I'll move the chicks that I have. They're not going to be moved in another week and a half yet, but maybe a little longer, just depending on the size of them. But anyways, thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe, and all that great stuff.